So I was looking outside at Steve and I saw something flapping, and it's Mobius! Look at how pretty. Oh my God, beautiful. Is it a he or a she? Do we know?
A he.
A he. Wow, wait, let me get closer so you can see the color in his wings. Come on, flap your wings. Now you're not gonna flap your wings? Come on, you were flapping all this time. Oh, now you're camera shy? Come on, Mobius. All right, don't blow on him. All right, so we're gonna film it again when he's ready. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Now show off your beautiful colors. Look at you, you're like a peacock. Okay, so we're gonna keep him in the cage today because we're experiencing some rain and they're calling for nasty thunderstorms today and tomorrow. So we want him to have a chance. So we're gonna keep him in the cage probably until like Tuesday when everything clears up. Today's Sunday. Okay, we'll talk to you then. Bye. So we decided the weather changed a little and he's very antsy, Mobius. So we decided, it's on Steve, to let him out. Because all day he's been like, I need to be free. Oh look, you have your shirt, butterfly, and real butterfly. Oh, we're going through the house. Okay, we want to take him out front. We're wild.
Oh, maybe not.
No, he's gonna fly in the house. Don't let him fly in the house. That'll freak me out. Look at how pretty. Wow, he really is pretty. You want to try? What do you want to do?
Oh, yeah.
All right, we're gonna try it. Oh, geez, hurry. Don't fly. Don't fly. Don't fly. Walk faster, Steve. Oh no! Oh no! Shoot! Steve, get him! Mobius, hold on. We're gonna let you.
That's what it is.
We're gonna let you free. This is where he grew up, in this spot in a jar where he cocooned. Okay. Of course, we're the only people who decide we want him out in the front yard. The poor guy. I can't see him. Okay. It's okay, Jers. We're letting him go. Put him on some milkweed.
No.
Oh, no.
Why?
Only caterpillars eat milkweed. Put him on a flower. Is this Laetris? No, this is... Oh, it's Laetris? Oh, I got that right. Oh, and there's a bee right next to him. No bees, no me. Mobius, welcome to the world. Welcome to this crazy, crazy world. Oh, you might have been better off in your cocoon where it's safe. Oh, he's so pretty. So we were gonna wait because it was supposed to rain and everything, but the weather kind of cleared up and he was fluttering around in there, so we figured let him go.
Be free.
Be free. I didn't want to cause him any anxiety. So the camera is fogging up because of the humidity outside. So I hope this is clear enough. It's okay. Be free, my little butterfly. Bye, Mobius.
There he goes.
I lost him. You can't see him anymore.
Okay.
He's up in the trees. Bye, Mobius. Live a good life. Make good choices. Bye-bye.